Hello everyone, welcome back to Napas Academy. This is Napas speaking. There is another problem, partial fraction. Look, it is square. The factor is square, x square plus 5. So there is a rules. Look at the right top corner. We have to use these rules to find out the partial fraction. No problems. It is very much easy. So at first write the left side total expression equal a over 2x plus 1 plus here bx plus c, that is bx plus c, same, and cx square it is plus c means the coefficient of x square. There is no coefficient, so it is only x square plus 5. Okay, 5 is for d and c for nothing means 1. So we have to LCM in the right side of the fractionals, two fractions value. Two x plus 1 and x square plus 5, the LCM result. So it is for a, x square plus 2x plus 1 is eliminate, and for this one x square plus 5 is eliminate. Okay, now both side same, so it is cancel out. 3x square plus 4x plus 17 equal x square plus 5 plus, you can expand it or you can write like that, it is equation 2. Now we have to substitute the value of x. Here it is x square plus 5, 2x plus 1 equals 0. For a, 2x plus 1 equals to 0, x equal minus 1 by 2, yes, 1 over 2. So when x equals to minus 1 by 2, substituting in the equation 2, here's the left side calculation, 3 times minus half is square plus 4 times minus half plus 17 equal, which part will be 0 minus half, part B maybe, right? It is not necessary to show you this part. It is common sense. This part is 0 because the x equals to minus half was taken from this expression from, so it is must be 0. What is the calculation? I am using my calculator. A equal very long calculation, it is 3. Okay, when x equals to what? When x equals to 0, you can use x equals to 0, x equals to 1, x equals to 3 because there is no factor anymore. Okay, now I'm starting from x equals to 0 to substitute in the equation 2, and what is the calculation? 5. It is I'm confused. Okay, so it is c equal b times 0, that is 0, you know that, so it is c only. What is the value? C, a value is 3, so 3 times 5, that is 15 plus c, and it is left side is 17, c equal 17 minus 15, it is 2. And now there is another one. We have to substitute, or you can equating both of them. Equating is very much easy. Okay, let's solve it by equating both sides. The coefficient of x square. What is equating? Equating means taking the coefficient of something like the x square, ax, or like that, x cube. So for this question, why we can't use the x equals to minus 5? Because it is it is not possible to find out the value of x. Here it is x equals to root over minus 5. It is not possible, so we are using these rules, equating rules. So at first write the left side as it is, and expand ax square plus 5a. You do not and it is not necessary to show all the expandation, just expand the x square part, but I am showing you to understand. Here this part is x square, it is 3x square, and let common the x square, it is a plus 2b. So taking the coefficient of x square, it is 3 equal a plus 2b. Right, here's the value of a, and here's the value of b. Already a value is figured out. That is the value of b. 3 minus 3, and it is 0, 0 over 2, that is 0. Yes. So we have the value of this one. So what is the answer? Three over a over something, that means a value is 3 plus b x plus c, right? What is the value of b? B value is 0. B times x, that is x value is 0, so b times 0 plus c value is 2, it is 2, and c x square, that is x square plus d means what's the value? X square plus 5. Okay, refreshing the expression, it is 2 over x square plus 5. This is the answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.